The perfect continuous tense is a verb tense used to describe actions that started in the past and have been continuing up until a certain point in time, whether in the past, present, or future. It helps to give a sense of duration and continuity to the action being described. The perfect continuous tense is formed using auxiliary verbs had/has, and will have in combination with the present participle form, ing, of the main verb. This tense is commonly used in everyday conversation and writing to describe long-term activities or habits, ongoing events, and to provide context to other past or future events. Perfect continuous tense. Past perfect continuous tense used to describe an action that started in the past and continued until a specific time in the past. Examples: I had been studying for 3 hours before I took a break. She had been working at that company for 5 years. Present perfect continuous tense used to describe an action that started in the past and is still continuing in the present. Examples: I have been living in this city for 10 years. They have been married for 3 years. Future perfect continuous tense used to describe an action that will have started in the past and will continue until a specific time in the future. Examples: I will have been working at this company for 5 years next month. They will have been married for 10 years next year. The formulas for the different tenses in English are as follows. 1. Simple present tense. Formula: subject plus verb, base form. Example: I eat breakfast every morning. 2. Simple past tense. Formula: subject plus verb, past tense form. Example: I ate breakfast this morning. 3. Simple future tense. Formula: subject plus will plus verb, base form. Example: I will eat breakfast tomorrow morning. 4. Present continuous tense. Formula: subject plus am/is/are plus verb, present participle form, ing. Example: I am eating breakfast right now. 5. Past continuous tense. Formula: subject plus was/were plus verb, present participle form, ing. Example: I was eating breakfast at 8 a.m. this morning. 6. Future continuous tense. Formula: subject plus will be plus verb, present participle form, ing. Example: I will be eating breakfast at 8 a.m. tomorrow morning. 7. Present perfect tense. Formula: subject plus have/has plus past participle form, of verb. Example: I have eaten breakfast already. 8. Past perfect tense. Formula: subject plus had plus past participle form, of verb. Example: I had eaten breakfast before I left for work. 9. Future perfect tense. Formula: subject plus will have plus past participle form, of verb. Example: I will have eaten breakfast by the time I get to work. 10. Present perfect continuous tense. Formula: subject plus have/has been plus verb, present participle form, ing. Example: I have been eating breakfast for the past hour. 11. Past perfect continuous tense. Formula, subject plus had been plus verb, present participle form, ing. Example, I had been eating breakfast for an hour before I left for work. 12. Future perfect continuous tense. Formula, subject plus will have been plus verb, present participle form, ing. Example, I will have been eating breakfast for 2 hours by the time I finish work.